In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file in Jira software, a step that's simple yet essential for effective project management. So, whether you're working on a software development project or managing a marketing campaign, this guide will help you easily attach files to your Jira issues, streamlining your workflow and ensuring that your team has all the necessary information in one place. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific project you're working on within Jira. You can do this by logging into your Jira account and selecting the project from your dashboard or project list. This step is crucial because every attachment needs to be associated with a particular project, and you want to ensure it's linked correctly for seamless collaboration. Once you are in your desired project, look towards the top of your screen where you'll see the option titled Issues. This is where you can access all the issues related to your project. Go ahead and click on Issues. This action will take you to a new page displaying all the issues in a list format. From here, browse through the list and find the specific Jira issue that you want to attach a file to. This could be a task, a bug, or an epic depending on what you're working on. Once you locate it, click to open that issue, bringing you into a detailed view where you can make your attachments. Now that you're viewing the issue in detail, direct your attention to the menu beneath the issue's name. Here you'll find an Add button. Clicking this button will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. The option you're looking for here is Attachment. Selecting Attachment will prompt a window to appear on your screen. This is the interface that allows you to choose files directly from your computer. Make sure your files are organized and named appropriately, as this will make the selection process much smoother and more efficient. With the window open, navigate through your computer's directories and select the file or files you wish to attach. This step is straightforward. Simply click on the files you'd like to include. Once selected, all that's left to do is press the Open button, which you'll typically find in the dialog box. Clicking this will upload the files to your Jira issue. And there you have it. Your file is now successfully attached to your Jira issue, making it accessible to anyone collaborating on the project. By having all necessary documents linked directly to their respective issues, you ensure that your team remains informed and aligned, minimizing misunderstandings and enhancing productivity. Whether it's detailed documentation or a simple image, attaching files is a critical feature of Jira that keeps your team's work organized and communicative. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy project managing.